Hello all, welcome to KP's Our Health. In this video, we are going to know about few common myths and facts related to COVID vaccination and COVID infection. So let's get started.
Can you be COVID positive due to vaccination?
The vaccine that you receive is a dead virus or a non-harmful modified virus. This, when injected into your body, this will activate your immune system to produce antibodies to fight the COVID viral infection in case you come in contact with coronavirus. And this will also help to fight the virus more efficiently and prevent severe complications that can happen with the virus.
Some people might experience some side effects which can be compared to fever post-vaccination in kids, but it's not due to COVID infection.
So, COVID vaccine will not make you COVID positive. In case if you get the infection immediately after the vaccination or just before the vaccination where your body still didn't develop antibodies, you can still be tested COVID positive in spite of getting vaccinated. That's how you get COVID positive, but not because of the COVID vaccine.
Because I am vaccinated, I will not get COVID infection.
There are always chances that you can get COVID positive even though you are vaccinated with mild symptoms or no symptoms or with no major severe complications. So, in spite of getting vaccinated 1 dose or 2 doses, you are supposed to wear a mask, maintain social distance, hand hygiene, take good rest, eat good food, drink lots of fluids and water. You have to follow all these to keep yourself away and protect yourself from the COVID infection.
What if I experience COVID infection symptoms?
Either you are vaccinated or not vaccinated, once you observe the symptoms like diarrhea, stomach cramps, unbearable, unstoppable headache which is not getting resolved by your regular tea and coffees, and change in voice because of sore throat and cough. There are also chances of alteration of your hearing ability. When you find any of these symptoms or the new COVID strain symptoms, please consult the doctor as early as possible. The early you consult the doctor, the faster you get recovered from the infection and lesser is the damage to your body. So, approaching the doctors in the early stages helps you recover more and more faster and in a better way.
COVID spreads less in summers.
There are rumors that it spreads less in summer and more in dampened situations. There is nothing like that. Please take care. It's summer, it's so hot. Staying in sun can improve your vitamin D but will not eradicate the COVID-19 virus or the viral infection.
To summarize, COVID vaccine will not make you COVID positive. Even if vaccinated, you can get COVID infection. Early medical help lessens the damage and fastens the recovery. Summer cannot change COVID infection ability. Spread the right information but not the deadly virus. Hope you all are doing good. See you in the next video. Until then, please take care. Thank you. This is Dr. Krishna Priya, physiotherapist. Subscribe to KP's Our Health, helping you to help yourselves. Thank you.